Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
Assalamualaikum, this is Shumaila Najjar.
And we are in Kumrat Valley, beautiful valley in the north of Pakistan. And we are enjoying here. Okay? Yeah, I mean, the north of Pakistan is really very beautiful. Like if you're from India, in India they have Ooty.
And they have, बल्कि आप लोग mention करें.
Yeah. Talk about your northern areas, Ooty and other.
किसी भी country से आप belong करते हैं, अपने areas के बारे में हमें
most definitely tell us about the north of your country where there are mountains and all that. Okay, so yeah, she's got this paper and she's going to ask me something.
Okay, well, Asad, मेरा question है actually writing के लिए ना बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने कहा होगा कि writing पे कुछ बनाएं, तो इसीलिए मैंने ना कुछ question collect कर लिए थे कि मैंने कहा आपसे पूछूंगी.
ठीक है.
अच्छा असद, मेरा question आपसे ना essay writing से related है. जैसे हमें पता है essay writing में हमारे पास 4 टाइप के essays आते हैं IELTS writing में ना task 2 में. तो मेरा question आपसे advantage disadvantage essay के बारे में है.
Okay, that's
और
right.
मैं ये पूछना भी ये चाह रही हूँ कि ये बताएं कि इसके अंदर कितने paragraphs होने चाहिए, किस तरीके से होने चाहिए और किस तरीके से हमने इस essay को
All right,
लिखना है.
she's asking me about advantages, disadvantages essay. How many paragraphs should there be? What should we write in each paragraph and all that, okay? All right, the people who understand Urdu, Hindi, they can understand her very, very well. So she is with me so that she could represent you guys. And otherwise, I noticed one thing, they were bored with my face all the time. So there should be another face as well in the video.
यासीन का ना ले आए.
That's a good idea. All right, good job. Sit down, Kaka. All right, so let's go on. Listen. There are 4 major types of essays and 5th confusing type of essays. Fifth one is made out of these 4.
Okay.
Yeah, they mix up these 4 and make the 5th essay type. The first essay type is advantages, disadvantages essay. Although this essay type is not very, very common in IELTS, but you never know. The first thing is how to identify that this is advantages, disadvantages essay. The best way is when you read the topic gives a statement. People go to a foreign country for job and study and all that. What are the benefits and drawbacks of this phenomena? So they use the word benefits and drawbacks. They use the word advantages, disadvantages. They use the word pros and cons. So whenever they say what are the advantages and disadvantages, what are the pros and cons and all that, it means it's advantages, disadvantages essay. But there is one warning. The warning is if the essay type is, do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages, that is not opinion essay. That is not advantages, disadvantages essay, that is opinion essay. Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? That is also an opinion essay. So be careful with that, okay? Now, let's talk about advantages, disadvantages essay. Ideally, according to me, there should be 6 paragraphs. Although you can write 4 paragraphs as well, but at least there should be 6 paragraphs. First paragraph, introduction. Introduction will contain 3 sentences. Sentence number 1, general sentence about that very phenomena. The topic they give you in advantages, disadvantages essay. Sentence number 2 will paraphrase the topic. Sentence number 3 will give the thesis statement. Now, what is thesis statement for advantages, disadvantages essay? In this essay, I will highlight some positives of going to a foreign country and some drawbacks of the same phenomena. This is what we call thesis sentence. And by the way, from the thesis sentence, examiner will get to know that which essay type you are writing. Okay, so 3 sentences. After that, when it comes to a body of the essay, I advise you to write 4 paragraphs. Paragraph number 1, one advantage. Now, in one body paragraph, you can write 4 sentences. Body paragraph 1, advantage number 1, sentence 1. Sentence 2, explanation of that advantage. Sentence 3, example of that advantage. Sentence 4, conclusion of that advantage.
उसी paragraph.
Absolutely. 4 sentences in one body paragraph. Now, second body paragraph, it's the third paragraph of your essay. Second body paragraph, advantage number 2. Explanation or elaboration of advantage number 2. Example if you have, or you can create example, otherwise you can further elaborate the point in one sentence, and conclusion of advantage number 2. In the same way, next two paragraphs will be of disadvantages and the same layout you can follow. And finally, there will be conclusion. Now, whenever you write conclusion, in conclusion, there should be 3 sentences. Sentence number 1, once again, you are going to paraphrase the topic. Sentence number 2, you are going to give the summary of 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages. And sentence number 3, your opinion, very, very important. Students ask me this question, sir, in advantages, disadvantages essay, why do we give opinion? The purpose of writing advantages, disadvantages essay is that to draw a conclusion whether advantages are more or disadvantages are more. So this is what you have to conclude, like the positives outweigh the negatives or the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. So there must be this conclusion. So if you follow this structure of advantages, disadvantages, now initially I said there can be 4 paragraphs also. When you write 4 paragraphs, then in one body paragraph you will write 2 advantages. Second body paragraph you will write 2 disadvantages, but I don't recommend that. I recommend that you write one short paragraph with one advantage, another short paragraph with another advantage, and then you can go on like that.
250 or more than 250 words आपने पूरे करने
Yes, that's important thing, right? So that's all guys, all the best. Thank you very much. We are having fun in Kumrat Valley and fun with Ielts. In English, it is said, when you love your job, you don't have to work. So we are not working, we are loving our job and we are enjoying over here. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.